Today, we'll learn some essential polite expressions and everyday phrases in Korean. These are words you'll use all the time, whether you're in Korea or speaking with Korean friends.
안녕하세요.
I'm Stella and welcome to Hello Hangul Company. Let's get started. Number 1.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Say it with me.
감사합니다.
This is the most common polite way to say thank you. You'll hear it everywhere when receiving food, a gift, or even directions. Tip add a small bow as you say 감사합니다 to show extra respect. Number 2.
죄송합니다.
I'm sorry.
죄송합니다.
Repeat after me.
죄송합니다.
One more time.
죄송합니다.
Use this when apologizing politely. For example, if you bump into someone on the street, simply say 죄송합니다. It's very polite and commonly used. Number 3.
괜찮아요.
It's okay, no problem. Say it with me.
괜찮아요.
This phrase is really versatile. It can mean it's okay, no problem, or I'm fine. Example: if someone apologizes to you, you can reply 괜찮아요 with a smile to reassure them. Number 4.
네, 아니요.
네 means yes. 아니요 means no. Example: do you like ice cream? 네. Do you like spiders? 아니요. Extra tip with friends, you can use the casual versions 응 for yes and 아니 for no. We'll learn more casual phrases in another lesson. Let's review today's phrases.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
죄송합니다.
I'm sorry.
괜찮아요.
It's okay, no problem.
네, 아니요.
Yes, no. These are essential and polite phrases you can start using right away. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing these out loud until they feel natural. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Korean lessons, and share your favorite phrase in the comments.
다음에 또 만나요.
See you next time. Bye.